Three screens, three different displays. That's what we want to get to. And when you use a traditional dongle such as this, here's what you get: two screens on three monitors. And that's okay. We want something a little bit more flexible so we can have three screens rolling at the same time. What I have is a Plugable DisplayLink dual monitor adapter. It's advertised for Windows and Chrome OS, but it can work with the MacBook Air. I'll put a link in the description for Amazon. It's for HDMI and DisplayPort. I'm going to show you how I get dual monitors, walk you through the installation, and let's go. Very simply, attach the USB into the computer, right monitor in port 1, left monitor in port 2. So first things first, let's go to Synaptics website. And we want to just make sure we're clicked on macOS. We are. And let's download that. And accept the terms and conditions. We are in installer. Just continue to click and agree. And let's get this thing installed. That's going to bring up the DisplayLink Manager. And we have to allow screen recording. Click on Allow Screen Recording. DisplayLink requires screen recording permissions on the macOS so it can render additional displays. It's normal for this type of adapter. And make sure you toggle that button to on. Enter your Mac password, open System Settings, and then enable DisplayLink Manager under Screen Recording Permissions. All right, quit and reopen. Let's get out of here. Close. Allow. Close. Now let's arrange the monitors. So make sure your MacBook Air is your main display, because that's going to be in the center. And then I like to put the other two on extended display mode. Then we want to go to arrange. And let's drag them in order that we want to be viewing them. So the LG is going to be on the left, this built-in display, the MacBook Air in center, and the other one on the right, and we're good. All right, so there you have it. MacBook Air M4, three monitors, all different. And the Plugable I recommend for all MacBook Air users. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe to Jeff on Tech, and I'll see you soon.